Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to replace the battery in a Volvo S60 key fob. You're going to need two CR2430 batteries. They're inexpensive and easy to find online. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver. I'm using a 2.5mm size, but anything similar will do the job. Let's get started. First, remove the emergency key. There's a small release latch on the side of the fob. Slide it and pull the key out. Now we'll open up the back of the key fob. You can use the emergency key for this, but I prefer using the flathead screwdriver. Insert it into the slot where the key was, apply gentle pressure, and twist to lift the back panel slightly. Once you've loosened it, continue prying around the edge to remove the entire back cover. Inside, you'll see two batteries stacked with a thin plastic spacer between them. Take a moment to check their orientation. The bottom battery should have the positive side facing down. The top battery should have the positive side facing up. Carefully remove both old batteries. Now grab your new CR2430 batteries. Start by placing the bottom one in, again positive side down. Then fit the plastic spacer on top, followed by the second battery, this time with the positive side facing up. Once both batteries are in place, snap the back cover on until it clicks securely. Finally, slide the emergency key back into place until it locks. And that's it. Your Volvo S60 key fob is now ready to go with brand new batteries. If this guide helped you out, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.